Hello, this is Ron Chan, aka Inset Doer speaking, and today I want to talk about the Unfollowers app. How I started using the Unfollowers app, because it was around 3 years ago, because I noticed that I have bot viewers view my Instagram stories, and it gets really annoying. Each time I see a bot viewing my Instagram stories, it just frustrates me. Even if I block the bot, more bots keeps popping up. Now, my purpose of using the Unfollowers app is because I'm using the Unfollowers app to edit the close friends list. At the time, I downloaded the Unfollowers app by the developer Sarah Tech. Now it's changed to One Tap Labs, and it's one of the most popular unfollower apps here. Before I even use my Unfollowers app, I turn on 2FA. If you don't know what 2FA or two-factor authentication is, like a two-step verification, and when you log into Instagram, there's an extra step, whether it's in the Google app or your phone, which requires to verify it. And once you verify it, you are able to log into Instagram as normal. I also changed my password as well. After I enable 2FA, I log in the Unfollowers app using the password. I didn't change the password, and it worked at the time. I've been using this Unfollowers app for 3 years, and it worked, and I absolutely love the Unfollowers app. If you don't know what close friends on Instagram is more like a private story posting. When you post stories using the close friends list, no one but the people you choose on the list are able to see it. Even if you mention a user in the close friends list, it will not be able to notify or even see it at all. I have been using the close friends list for a long time along with the Unfollowers app. Recently, a couple weeks ago, I used the Unfollowers app and I noticed something's wrong. It doesn't sync. It keeps saying sync has failed, and when I check in my actual Instagram account for the phone I'm using, it logged me out. It's saying that the owner has changed the password. I was quite shocked when I see this, because when I check this phone I'm using, I'm still logged into the account, and when I'm using the desktop Instagram as normal, it still works. So my account is still safe because of 2FA. Without 2FA, you are in a lot of trouble. Your Instagram account will be locked. I stopped using the Unfollowers app after Instagram logged me out. That's Instagram telling me that I cannot use the Unfollowers app anymore. Once I uninstall it, then that's the end of it. Because if I keep using the Unfollowers app, then Instagram will shut down my account because it actually violates the community guidelines. It kind of sucks that I cannot use the Unfollowers app anymore, because I've been heavily relying on that app to edit the close friends list. Just look at my Instagram account. It says one following, meaning that I do not follow any accounts other than the owner. Most people use the Unfollowers apps to increase their followers or want to unfollow their accounts that they unfollow. Well, that's a good reason for that, but I don't follow any accounts on Instagram. I just use it for close friends. What Instagram should have done, because of the bot attacks on Instagram stories, Instagram should have developed a feature for that already. This is a mock-up. This is not an actual feature. Now, this is the close friends list. You notice that there's a follow back blue button, and that's because if they follow the account, then you will see the follow back. And if you see the blue follow button, that means someone unfollowed me, or the user did not follow the account. The second thing Instagram should have done is to have privacy settings, and currently close friends is the only option for public and business accounts. And if your Instagram account is it's private, then you don't have to worry about it. You just post your stories like normal and just your followers be able to see it. But I kind of wish it can be implemented for public or business accounts, because business accounts cannot switch to private. How do I check accounts who unfollowed me? Well, I added all the accounts as close friends and then go to the desktop Instagram and copy the close friends list and put it on Notepad. Yes, it sucks, but I have to check the Instagram app manually for the followers anytime I see a notice of a drop count. If I see any changes, I have to just go through the Notepad and the Instagram app. After someone unfollowed me on Instagram, I just remove the unfollower off my close friends list, which is the purpose why Instagram should have implemented the feature. Well, that's it. That's all I want to say about the Unfollowers app, and thank you for watching on Insect Duo's YouTube channel, and take care.